Solve for x and y simultaneously. Sharp. What you do here, you label the equations, right? We're gonna use substitution. Elimination is a struggle when you're dealing with a quadratic here. Now, this will be the second equation. And then look at the simplest. The simplest one is the first one, right? So you make x or y the subject. So it is easier to make y the subject here. So I'm going to have 2x minus 1. This will be the third equation. And then from the third equation, I substitute what? Um, I substituted rather into the second equation. So in the place of y, I'm going to place 2x minus 1. That's what I'm gonna place there. So I have 2x minus 1. That is all square plus 4x, right? Then I place my y again. This is 2x minus 1. Then this is equal to 6x squared. Good. Then if I expand this, I'm gonna have 2 into 4x squared minus 4x plus 1 plus 4, not even 4, it's 8. 8x squared minus, now we know, right? We know not to do an error this. Multiplies twice. 4x and then minus 6x squared equal to 0. Nice. Then we expanded that further. We have 8x squared minus 8x plus 2. Then this one here, and this will give us positive 2x. Positive 2x squared minus 4x equals 0. Like terms again, positive 8x squared, 2x squared, that would give me 10. 10x squared, and then what I have, negative 8x, negative 8x, and what? Negative 4x. The answer is negative 12x. And then I have the 2. This will be equal to 0. This can be further simplified by dividing by 2, since 2 is a factor in all of them. So I'm gonna have now 5x squared minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. By now, we spoke about this thing. We spoke about this thing. We spoke about it. By now, you know. You can just quickly factorize this thing here. Right? I can just show you again real quick. What I do is I say 5 times the 1. So 5x squared minus 6x plus 1 equal to 0. What I do, I say to myself there, bah! So I'm gonna have x squared minus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. It's easier to deal with something like this now. It's easy. Now I'm gonna look at the factors of 5. Negative, positive 5, that are gonna give me what? Negative 6. Let's see. Negative 3, negative 2. If I multiply, I get a positive. But if I add, it's negative 5. Sharp. Negative 6. No, yay. Negative 5, negative 1. If I add these two, negative 6. Lovely. So I have x minus 6, x, ke ratile 6, x minus 5, x minus 1 is being presumptuous. Ukuparper. Now, here's my factors. So what do I do? The same 5 I multiplied with, I'm gonna divide by it. Both things here, both of them. So this here will be x minus 1. And then this, since it's a fraction, I'm gonna take this 5 and put it over there. So I'll have 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Then I've simplified the x minus 1, then x, 5x minus 1 equal to 0. So my answer for x will be equal to 1, or x will be equal to 1 over 5. Sharp. I am not done. I need to find the values of y. That's what I need to find now, the values of y. Listen, in terms of factorization, you are not restricted to use that approach. There's an approach that you are doing there at school. So stick to it if you find this one complicated.
I have told you that, like the Quran says, you should not eat pork. Okay? Pork is haram for a Muslim. But if you are in danger of death and pork is the only thing available, survive first, then we shall see what to do.
Now you substitute the value of x in the easiest one, which is 1, right? Or you can just select any. I have y being equal to 2. The value of x here, the first one is 1. Minus 1. Here's the equation here. I take this from this. That's the equation. I meant to say 3 here. Now, your answer will be equal to 2 minus 1, which is 1. Then y is equal to 2 into the other factors 1 over 5 minus 1. The answer here, you have 2 over 5 minus 1, which is 5 over 5. So you have negative 3 over 5. So your coordinates would be 1 is to 1, and then you have 5, 1 over 5 is to negative 3 over 5. There you go.